Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the engine is healthy and safe to modify. This prevents damage when creating pressure snaps. Install a one-way snifter or catch valve in the intake or charge pipe so air can escape quickly on throttle lift. Then fit a short trumpet or small restrictor to the inlet to alter wave reflections. This changes how pressure collapses. Once done, rev the engine and practice quick throttle lifts to produce sharp backflow pulses that imitate turbo flutter while keeping vacuum and AFR monitored. Next, focus on shaping tone and timing. Adjust trumpet length and diameter. Shorter, larger diameters give lower, louder pulses while longer, narrower gives higher tones. Fit a lightweight diaphragm or spring valve so the one-way valve snaps shut faster, creating a sharper flutter. Then use throttle modulation, either quick manual blips or mild ECU throttle maps, to create consistent pressure reversals. Make incremental changes and test after each tweak, so you can hear how each variable alters the intake slash. To finish, perform controlled road tests across the RPM range and document the results so you can iterate. If the flutter is weak or inconsistent, inspect for intake leaks, incorrect one-way valve stiffness, or mismatched trumpet sizing. Small leaks kill backflow pulses. Make sure throttle release timing is crisp, remap or train driving technique if needed. Finally, always monitor engine temps, AFR, and check for abnormal combustion if you see problems. Revert components and consult a technician to avoid engine harm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.